Friends, I'm back with another machine on the Tryhackme, which is Takeover. I've already spawned the machine earlier, and this is the IP address of the machine. Yeah, this machine is not a boot to loot machine. Just for us, what we all need to do is to get or retrieve this flag, okay, and also give us the hint. Yeah, this is an enumeration challenge. Once you will find it, it will shut up, give you the flag. All right. So I think now I'd like to switch into the Kali Linux VM. I can make the terminal to be bigger so you can see what's going on. However, before we move forward, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. As you can see, to save time, I've already done the nmap scanning with the usual options like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and of course the IP address it's a bit different. From the nmap scanning, we can know that the target has 3 open ports. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service and also the actual version information. As we know, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. The second one is 80, which is running HTTP service and also the version information, which is Apache 2. And also will follow, will be redirect to this domain name. And the last one is 443, which is running HTTPS. So what we are going to do next is to do enumeration with web application. Running over port number 80 and 443. Let's launch our browser. Let's put the IP address of the target into the address bar. Press enter. Bit weird. Yeah, maybe I need to refresh this page. As you can see, the browser has been redirected to this domain, and also will be redirected to the HTTPS site or counterpart of the HTTP. However, we are having trouble finding that site and cannot connect to the server. In other words, we need to append this subdomain to the host file. I can copy. Yeah, of course, you can use the Vim or Nano editor to do this. Yeah, to append the domain name or host name and its corresponding IP address to the host file. However, I'd like to use the command line to do this. So we can use the echo and followed by the IP address of the target. And the space and the domain name or host name. And we can tunnel to T. And A means append to host file. All right, so now we go back to our browser. We refresh this site. Here we got the beautiful page back, and we can scroll down. And then, however, nothing interesting we can get. As usual, we can check the source code of this page, which doesn't reveal anything interesting. Next, we can check whether this site has a robots file. Not found, which is fine. Next, we can use the negative to do some enumeration. We can copy the domain name. Okay, let's press enter. Negative can review a lot of information about the web application. For example, like version information, header information, sometimes even can give us the vulnerability of the web application. And in the meantime, some common files or directories can be enumerated by the ligato, although its inbuilt word list is a bit small. However, this case we cannot get anything interesting. I'd like to quit to save time of this video. Next, we can use the Go Buster to do the directory enumeration. And we need to specify the word list. As always, I'd like to use the dbuster as my word list to do the directory enumeration. And we can specify the extension option like PHP, HTML, TXT, BAK, something like this. Let's press enter. However, we got an error, invalid certificate. Here we need to use the option of a K, which means that we do not need to negotiate or verify the validity of the certificate which sent from the target. Okay, let's press enter. To see whether we can find something interesting, the directories or files. Of course, we have already know its existence of this file, index.html. If you're not very certain, you can use a browser to manually check it. This room is, although it's not boot to root style one. However, I think the methodology which can be very useful for the web application, for example, like enumeration, including the subdomain enumeration. We got the assets directory. We can check on that. We got some pictures, images. You can check them. And also you can download this picture locally to the Kali Linux and then try to analyze these pictures or images to see whether there are any hidden message. However, we cannot find anything like that. To save time, I will not do that. If you can follow along my channel, I've already demonstrated this technique very, very often. All right? We got another default. I think this is very standard directory, CSS. To save time, I'd like to interrupt this process. So what we are going to do next, maybe we need to do the subdomain enumeration, right? So how to enumerate subdomains, the different techniques available. For me, I'd like to use the fast tool, and we can specify the I'd like to autocomplete this command. So the H, the capital H, stands for the header, and we can this is the keyword, and every time or every line of words we will replace these keywords, and we just press enter, and this command will help us to make a fuzzing to get the subdomain name. As you can see, from the words information we can know that maybe I can quit from here to save time. This one is a bit suspicious. If we can scroll up, this one. Although this one the status is 421, and this maybe we can manually check this subdomain. So how to check? We can echo and put the support. Press enter. Sorry. and we can access this subdomain. Yeah, we are recreating our support website. Also, maybe we need to remove the HTTPS to see whether and I think there will be automatically redirect to the major domain. So I'd like to go back, and as always, we can check the source code of this page, which doesn't give us anything interesting. And also we can check whether this site has a robot file. Not found. So next we can use the negative and the directory brute forcing as earlier. To save time, I will not do that. We cannot find any page which contains the flag. After all, yeah, for this loom, we need to get or retrieve the flag. And however, if you check the certificate of this subdomain, we can check. We can click more information, and we can view certificate. And this is the like a subject name, issue name, and also here subject auth names. I think this is a very, very weird subdomain, and this is I think this is the subdomain with another layer, right? More layer. And we can copy this one and note it down to our notebook and add to or append to the hot file. Okay, we can echo. And we can copy this host name. All right, press enter. And now we can go back to, maybe I can close down this window, and we can, I can copy this subdomain name and accept, and sorry, not this one. As you can see, this, when we access this subdomain, we'll try to connect to the outside, try to connect to the Google. So this site could be temporarily available to or too busy. All right, if you go back, and we can paste in here, we use the HTTP rather than HTTPS. Press enter. As you can see, we're having trouble finding that site. However, from this error page, we can get or retrieve the flag, right? We can copy and go back to the room, and we can put in here. Let's submit. Okay, all right. So my answer is correct. Congratulations. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.